Planning a new gaming setup or finally looking to switch your PC over to the AM5 platform? Then stick around, because what this motherboard has to offer might be exactly what you're looking for. So, what do you really get here? Let's start with the heart of it. This board is built for the modern AM5 socket, meaning it's ready for all current Ryzen CPUs in the 7000, 8000, and 9000 lineup. Perfect if you want a powerful, future-proof platform. For memory, Gigabyte goes with DDR5. Fast, efficient, and above all, you can install up to 192 gigabytes. That's more than enough for gaming, streaming, photo editing, or whatever else you've got in mind. And with speeds up to 8,000 mega transfers per second, you've got serious performance. When it comes to storage, you've got plenty of flexibility. One M.2 slot runs on PCIe 5.0, two more on PCIe 4.0, plus 4 SATA ports for traditional SSDs or hard drives. That gives you options for both blazing fast NVMe storage and classic drives. Connectivity looks solid too. Alongside the X16 slot for your GPU, you get two smaller PCIe slots. And if fast internet matters to you, no worries. With 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth, you're covered whether you prefer wired or wireless. USB-C is also included, and not just any port, but with full speed support up to 20 gigabits per second, perfect for fast external SSDs or modern peripherals. Another highlight is the cooling system. Gigabyte calls it Smart Fan 6. Sounds fancy, but it really works. You get multiple hybrid fan headers, automatic temperature monitoring, and even a function that completely shuts down fans at low loads. That means a quieter PC, something anyone who works a lot or just prefers silence will definitely appreciate. And here's a real quality of life feature, Q-Flash Plus. This lets you update your BIOS without having a CPU, RAM, or GPU installed. Sounds like a gimmick, but if you've ever had to do a BIOS update, you'll know just how useful this is. There is one small catch though. In a recent BIOS update, specifically from version F35 onwards, PCIe 5.0 support for the GPU slot was quietly removed, meaning if you have a graphics card that supports PCIe 5.0, you'll need to stick with the older BIOS. Version F34 is the last one that still supports it. For everyday use though, that's not a huge drawback since the M.2 slot still supports PCE 5.0, and currently most GPUs don't really benefit much from PCE 5.0 anyway. In short, this board offers modern features, smart design, and a thoughtful layout, all at a price that hobby builders and gamers will find very reasonable. So if you're looking for a solid motherboard that won't let you down and won't drain your entire budget, this one is definitely worth a look. As always, the best deals are linked below in the video description. So, what are the upsides and what aren't? Pros: solid power delivery for stable performance and overclocking. PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot for ultra-fast storage. Strong networking with 2.5 gigabit LAN and Wi-Fi 6E. Q-Flash Plus saves time on BIOS updates. Smart Fan 6 for quiet and efficient cooling. RGB and ARGB headers for your custom setup. Cons: PCIe 5.0 for GPUs only with the older BIOS. iGPU ports. HDMI DP work only with CPUs with integrated graphics. No official PCIe 5.0 support listed by the manufacturer. If you're after a reliable, well-equipped motherboard for your new Ryzen build, you'll definitely want to take a closer look at this one. It brings plenty of modern features, stays affordable, and makes jumping into the AM5 platform really smooth. Make sure to check out the latest deals in the video description. There's often a great bargain there. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews.